Are you a growing or a medium enterprise competing with the sharks in the tank? 3i Infotech's ORION ERP solution is the right choice for you. Our cloud-enabled ERP solution is a multi-user industry-specific enterprise solution with powerful functionalities. It offers end-to-end and seamless interaction between versatile modules that you need for your success: financials, procurement, manufacturing, contracting, logistics, trading and distribution, sales and CRM, workforce management, mobility and business intelligence. ORION has them all covered. ORION ERP also has embedded analytics, corporate services, and end-user service delivery for total efficiency within your organization and to your extended enterprise of customers, partners, and suppliers. It brings together greater control over your business processes and cost effectiveness to every decision you make. ORION ERP offers seamless integration with other enterprise systems. We also have built-in process packs with industry best practices. Our quick implementation process ensures a quicker return on investment. Make your business more productive, intelligent, and flexible with ORION ERP, and scale your business to the next level.